Okay, a little update on what I'm doing here. Got that piece in nice. Just waiting for the outer part, and they connect together. It'd be nice and strong. Nice and strong, man. Just gotta get the little cap for in there. This is getting all wire brushed down real good. Got every bit of rust off that I could see. And I'll spray it with like an undercoating or something. And then I have this this deadener. This shit's heavy, man. Oh, look, I'm working on that right there. Drill holes around the outside. Tack them in. Got to sometimes press down pretty hard on some of the areas to get them flat before you weld them. Otherwise, it's going to be all lumpy. So I start on the bottom and just kind of work up. It seemed like, you know, to me that's the way it should be done, I guess. Oh, I made this little metal bender thing. It was driving me nuts because I had to make a little bend in the front. So I just welded a couple of, welding everything. Welded a couple of washers together. And then I screwed it down to the top. It's kind of, I wish I put on a heavier top, but I can move it though. And the pieces of metal, I'm not going to bend one now, but I'll just show you how it goes through. It works pretty good, man. I was just trying to think of a way I could do it. See? I'm thinking you could bend it in all kinds of shapes. You could bend it down. And I made one where it's flat, like that. And then you want to just bend like something, you know. Because I don't know what I need this for, so I don't want to bend it. But it works good, man. I bent much heavier metal than this. I bent 16 gauge just to see. So I know 18 and, you know, 21 inch. That's the kind of shit I'll really be working with if I ever even bend metal again. But it's that car mat, man. You wouldn't believe it. This box is like fucking, it's like 70 pounds. And it's only that thick. You know? That's gonna fucking deaden it big time, man. It's got like a sticky behind it. It sticks all over the floor. That's why I want to put a nice undercoat on the floor, so this has something nice to stick to, you know. I just want to make sure I get all the dust and rust and all the shit out before I do that. And I'm getting close. I'm almost there, man. Then I'm going to get under this dash and I'm going to fix some of the wiring under there. It looks like a freaking bird nest of freaking wires. So, that's it, man. All done. You guys have a good one. Time to start pounding some beers. These days, my pounding beers is about 4 or 5 of them. No more pounding beers. For me. All right, guys, later.